Alright, last time I posted a video, somebody asked if I could see how long it runs a fridge for. So, here we are, electrical panel. I got my fridge circuit right down here. And that's this guy. So, we're going to hook it up. So always remember, hook up your ground first, or have somebody that's experienced do it. Yeah. Just don't go playing on your panel if you don't know what you're doing. Okay. Turn around. Let's get our neutral around. Okay. Ground and neutral complete. Once we're connected to all the grounds and neutrals over here. So all I need now is this hot leg, which is right there. Which comes in here. Pretty simple. Now, I'm going to turn that guy off so there's no power on the actual wire when you're unscrewing it. Now when pulling this out, you're going to want to be pretty careful not to arc this wire on anything else while getting it loose. I mean, you could avoid all this by just unplugging your fridge and plugging it directly into the unit, but what's the fun in that? And also, it's really hard to get to my fridge plug, so I figured this would be easier. Now I'm not too sure. Let's see if we can cap it off and get it up through this mess. Alright, so I'm going to tie this in. I do not have it plugged in, and I do not have anything turned on. So here's the, sorry about that. Here's my cord end, my cord cap. Here's my wires I'm about to twist together, making the power. Alright. So again, this is the fridge circuit. Yeah, upside down, but that's the fridge. Alright. So let's go check this out. I'll show you what the fridge is off, and we'll get that plugged in. Completely dead. So I'm gonna go plug it in, see how much it pulls, see how long it'll run. Alright, so we're in here. I have not used this since the last time I charged it fully. It takes it a second to power up there. There she's on. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna plug this in. And I did notice my stove is on with this, but I have a GFI that's linked to it and I will kill that. So we are just running the fridge. Okay, we're plugged in. Power on. Power on, plugged in. See, it says it's pulling 13 watts. So that initial surge was the 280 watts. it's in idle, so it's pulling 14 watts. Says we have 62.7 hours, 66.9. It jumps around a little bit, so we'll see. Depends on that 1 watt, I guess. Literally 1 watt is 4 more hours of runtime. So, alright, we'll see how that works. So, just to prove, I got my cord. I got it plugged in here. And this is the fridge. Okay. And here, I'll do you one better. I'll show you on the app, while at the fridge, turning on the AC power, that this is no joke. Alright, so here's my fridge. Here we are, input, output. We got the power flow, energy flow one up. So, watch. Fridge on. If I kill that right there, see that? Killed the AC power. Boom. Fridge off. No more power. Boom. Oh, we gotta slide it. Alright. See? Surge up. I'll do that one more time because I cussed and I'm gonna have to edit that out. Boom. Boom. So there's that. And also, so my GFI here is running my stove, and that might be what's pulling the most watts. So, see, we have 13 watts. Let's see here. I have 13 watts out, and that clock's going. And if I trip that, it turns that guy off. Nope. So that clock doesn't pull much. This is a gas stove. It just has the igniter and the clock. Also, I have nothing plugged into the GFI. So it is 8:40. We're at 100%. It does not say the runtime on here, which is one reason I do not like this energy flow screen as much as I do the other one. Standard. Alright, so there it'll tell you discharge 62.8 hours and 14 watts. Again, it's 8:41. Alright, so I came out here to check the machine, see if it's revving up at all. I am doing that fridge experiment right now, but we had to go ahead and cook lunch, so and there's the rev. It's about as loud as it's gotten. I didn't even have to turn the power boost on. My wife did not tell me she was gonna go cook lunch on the oven, so it shouldn't take too long to cook the lunch. We'll have that turned back off and we'll continue running just the fridge. But I mean, as of now, we're 5 hours in, a little over 5 hours, and we're still running the fridge and now cooking lunch. So it is 8:45 p.m. now. We're cycling. We still have 31%, and that is after 12 hours of running the fridge, and we spent about 30 minutes running the stove to cook lunch. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch it back over to the panel for the night because I don't want it to die in the middle of the night and my food to go bad. But I hope that helps. I hope that gives you a reference of how long it would last. If you have any other questions or tests you would like to see done, just go ahead and comment, like it, subscribe to follow, whatever. Yeah. Show you. I'm still hooked into the fridge. Alright guys. So I just wanted to add in and say, when I first did a review on this, I didn't like that it had the Wi-Fi, but after doing this fridge test, I noticed why. You can check it from anywhere, and I really like that feature about it, because the Bluetti and the other one that I have, they just have a Bluetooth setting, and I mean, if you're out and about, you can't see that it's still running or still charging or any of that. So that is pretty cool. I'll give it to them. The Wi-Fi thing seemed like meh at first, but the fact that you can check it from anywhere is really cool.